Okay, we're live. Here we go. Letter B. And I don't know how much we'll get through, so we'll see. Okay, this is section 5.7. Section 5.7. There are no page numbers. This would be a powerful thing to have page numbers on this thing. Section 5.7, example 3. I'm doing letter B. Are you all on the right page? Okay. It says to find the zeros of the polynomial. Do you read that right there? Find the zeros. So we're going to factor, if we can. GCF, does it have one? No. It has 4 plus terms. 4 plus terms. So are we doing, what are we, grouping or dividing and factoring? How do we know what to divide by? How do we know what to divide by? The factors of the last term over the factors of the first term are what we divide by. So that was the whole plus minus list that you were writing. That's what we choose to divide by. So we could divide by plus minus 1. What are the factors of 6?
3, 6, 1.
Usually 1 or negative 1 will work. And if 1 or negative 1 don't work, usually positive 2 or negative 2 will. So let's start just picking your best guess. So positive 1. I usually go positive 1, negative 1, positive 2, negative 2. So try positive 1. Let's see if it works. So I'm going to divide and factor. So here's my division. Do I need any zeros, you guys? 5, 4. There's no 3. So do I need a 0? And this is hard because it's long. It's so many of these that you have to do. We'll have to divide a handful of times. So we're going to pull this down. So you take your time, but there is a 0 there. So see if you get a remainder of 0. Make sure you can do it. Make sure it makes sense when you do it. If you agree with me, that's even better. All right, remainder of 0 is like winning the lottery. That's a big deal. We found 1 0. How many zeros do we have to find? 5. We found 1. Okay, if we write this out as a polynomial, what degree does this become? Okay, still way too many terms to do grouping or anything else for that matter. So we have to continue to do what? Divide and factor. We have to continue to divide. What do we divide by? We can still, it is possible that x plus 1 is used twice. It is still possible. So this whole negative 6 has the exact same factor list as up here. It is still possible that 1 is repeated. So you could still check positive 1 again if you want to. Positive 1, negative 1, positive 2, negative 2. You just have to check 1 until it works. So let's all do something different. I'll do 1, you guys do a different one. Let's see if we can get a 0. So I'll do positive 1, you guys try negative 1, you guys try positive 2, you guys try negative 2. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope somebody gets a 0 before the bell rings. And if you find one, shout it out. Negative 2 works? Thank you. Negative 2. Keep going. If you're ahead of me, keep going. Have you kept going all the way down to the end? I don't know if the solutions are real or imaginary, so you can figure that out by doing quadratic formula. You need to get there. Okay, so we got another 0, but is that the end? Can we divide can we do any kind of factoring at this point?
Yes.
Grouping, we can factor by grouping, but it won't work. So if we can't factor by grouping, what do we do again? Divide and factor. Okay, so I would like you to finish B.